Hey, it's Annie, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be creating a look using this Pat McGrath palette. Isn't this the cutest? These are the shadows. I'm going to go in and use those purpley shadows today. I could do a look using this, and maybe I will do one, and maybe I will film one, and I will insert it while I'm talking about this palette. I really, really like this palette. It is so nice. I really hope that she comes out with more of these. This is just such a nice idea. It's great for travel. If you're somebody that wants to use her eyeshadows, but you don't want to get a big palette, like this is great for us because I just bought one of her big palettes and I'm not loving it. I've already prepped my eyes. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this shadow right here. It looks brighter on camera though than it does in person. That looks really bright in person. Yeah, I guess it depends on how the light is on it. Mine, it looks more like that. See how it looks? That's how it looks in person to me, but on camera it looks, with the light reflecting, it looks a little bit brighter. I'm going to go in and I'm going to start on the outer corner a little bit here, and then I'm going to work it up into the crease area here. And I'm using my rougher brush number 1, by the way. Now this has a shimmer, and I believe they all have shimmers. I think they're all shimmers. Let me see here. 2 mattes in this palette. So this one is actually matte, shimmers, shimmer, matte, shimmer. Yeah, I thought today I would do something a little bit different. Sometimes I come on camera and it's got a little bit of shimmer going in there. I'm going to take my rougher brush number 12. And I'm going to go into this color right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer corner. Now, one thing about a palette like this is obviously you don't have a transition color. So that's why I wanted to start out with that lighter shadow. Although it does have a lot of shimmer in it. And blend that out. Yeah, this would some people might consider this more glittery, to be honest with you. But I really like it. So if you're not into that, you're gonna hate this. Okay, you're gonna hate it. So I'm just being honest with you. This has a little bit more sparkle than my other palettes do. Okay, but I'm okay with it. And unless you're up in my face. Seriously, unless you're right up in my face, I'm putting it right in that corner there, the same color that I did on the other corner. Unless you're really right up in my face, you're not gonna see it. So don't freak out about it. Okay, seriously, don't. I want to take a little bit of powder. I'm just using my Charlotte Tilbury. I just want to blend the outside corners a little bit since I don't have that transition color. I don't care if I get it outside here because I still have to do my foundation. I can clean all that up. There was a tip that somebody shared, and this is a really good tip. If you want to blend in your eyeshadow, okay, take a little bit of your foundation. I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, okay, and I'm going to take a brush like this. This is just at Cosmetics, and I'm going to just pounce it in there. I'm going to tap it off a little bit off on a towel, and then I'm just going to go in here and just put it on the outside here. Let me wipe it off a little bit more. Didn't mean to get that much. But anyways, what it's going to do is it's just going to help to blend that a little bit more too. So it's just a little trick. If you feel like it's just not blending, just do that. I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to take that color right there. Look how pretty that is. If you wanted to, and you didn't want to do that because this has a little bit of glitter in it, you could skip that and just do a look with those two. You could just do a look with those two. I'm just trying to show you all three colors, but yeah, you don't have to do all those. And I'm going to put a little bit more of that darker shadow, the matte darker shadow. I'm going to do a little bit more right here. There we go. Just blend it. Now I'm going to take my Rephr number 3 brush, like a pencil brush. I'm going to take that same matte shadow, okay, same one. Now I'm going to go right on that lower lash line. Now if you feel like you've gone, like it's a little bit too much, a little too low, take a brush like this. I love this brush. This is from Fit Glow Beauty. It looks a little messy. Let me wipe this off. It's from Fit Glow Beauty, and I will go in here and just clean that up. See? So I just cleaned that up. Even on getting on those edges right there too. Look at how that cleaned it up. Today I think I'm going to use a black liner. I usually don't. I don't always do black, but I feel like with this I need to. Oh, you know what? Actually, I have a plum color. Let me use my plum color. Is it Chases? C-A-S-S-I-S. My glasses off. That color there. This is from Chanel, and I'm going to apply that to my tight line and a little bit above. Right above my lash line too. I want to get my eye drops in, do my mascara, do my brows, and I'll be right back. This is my final look. I'm going to get close so you can see what it looks like. So I really, really like this palette. I like this better than the big one I just bought. But just so you know, this one is quite, I'm going to put it on the glitter. You see? I mean, you're seeing it close up, so you can see what it looks like. So it doesn't bother me. I can see it if I look close in the mirror. I can see, you know, little. I feel like it's more on the glitter side than the shimmer, but it's still really fine. But just know that I'm okay with it. But I know some of you guys feel like your skin is a little bit more crepey maybe, and you're just not comfortable with it. I feel like you can still wear it, but it's up to you. It's personal preference. It really, really is personal preference. I'm okay with it, but it's totally up to you. But I really like this palette. I really, really do. I've been playing around with this quite a bit. I know it doesn't look like it, but I have. I've been wearing this a lot. And again, I prefer this over the bigger palette that I bought from her. I'm still have to play with it, but I just feel like I like the looks that I get with this as opposed to that. And I love this. I think this is such a pretty, fun, purpley color. And I can do a neutral look with it too. And I just really, really like it. And I really, really hope that she comes out with more of these because this is the only one that she has like this right now. So I don't know if it's an experiment, but I really, really like it. So I don't know if this lipstick goes with it, but we're going to be okay with it. This lipstick, by the way, is this, and I freaking love this. Let me show that really quick. This is the, I don't know if I shared it in another video, but this is her, yes, you'll see it in the video that I shared the other palette. This is the Lip Trance, or Blitz Trance from Pat McGrath, and it's in this color Skin Same. So it's a very nude color. I like it. So this is the packaging on it. I shared it before. It's just so, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm telling you, when I'm out and I whip this out and it's just glittering in the sun, it makes you feel like princess. It does. And this is what it looks like. Look at how this, look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, it is just so beautiful. I love it. Oh, I must have accidentally bumped it. Oh no, some of that came off. Or I used it accidentally on that side. I'm trying not to use it on that side much because I love the shimmer on this. It's just so beautiful. I love it. So I'm wearing it today. Once you get through this little like glittery stuff, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable to me. It's more of like I don't know how to describe it. It's more, I would say you hardly have a shimmer. As you go through it, you hardly have a shimmer in it. It's really just a coating on it. But it's so pretty. It's comfortable to wear. And this lipstick is very long wearing. I was surprised at how long wearing it is. I've been out like wearing this, and I'm like, sometimes I think, oh, it's got to be all wiped off by now. I have to reapply it, and I'll look at my lips and think, oh, it looks really good still. So this is a really, really nice lipstick. I like her lipsticks. I have a couple of them now, and I'm really enjoying them. Highly recommend. So thank you again so much for joining me, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.